Dalmatia Beach in Croatia is one of the great destinations for those who love to immerse themselves in natural beauty and rich history. With hundreds of beaches stretching from Split to Dubrovnik, Dalmatia attracts visitors with beautiful landscapes, clear blue seawater and smooth white sand. Dalmatia is located in the eastern sea of the Adriatic Sea, a sub-sea of the Mediterranean Sea, with a terrain consisting of many small islands and mainland areas blending together. About 400 kilometers long, the area is part of the tropical Mediterranean, where summers are hot and dry and winters are warm and humid. The climatic environment in Dalmatia, Croatia offers a unique experience with diverse climatic variations and profound influences from its geographical location. With a Mediterranean climate, summers in Dalmatia are often dry, with high temperatures and hot sunshine, creating ideal conditions for swimming and relaxing in the sun. People in Dalmatia reflect the diversity of this climatic environment through their lifestyles and occupations. Local residents often depend on income from agriculture, fishing and tourism. The attachment to the sea and to outdoor life has formed a unique culture, where people live closely with nature and know how to enjoy every moment of life. There is perhaps nothing better than seeing fresh girls, with tanned skin and bright smiles, commanding the atmosphere on the beach. In outstanding bikinis, they confidently move on the sand, creating seductive curves and a vibrant feeling of freedom. Dalmatia Beach, in addition to the wild beauty of clear blue sea and white sand, is also a place containing diverse natural treasures of flora and fauna. Under the impressive clear blue seawater, marine animals such as fish, turtles and many other marine species live and grow. Dalmatia Beach in Croatia has had a major influence on the country's tourism industry. With its wild beauty, white sand and clear blue sea, Dalmatia attracts millions of tourists from all over the world every year. Join Wandering Channel today to explore the beauty of Dalmatia beaches with us. Subscribe and support us so you don't miss these beautiful images and interesting stories about life on the beach. We look forward to sharing our passion with you and spreading love for nature and travel. Join us and make each of your trips more special.